Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we got major baking company here, Honey Bun Limited, known for their cheese breads and lots of other good products in the marketplace. Trading in their shares, Honey Bun 1982 Limited, that's the full name there. Honey Bun, ticker symbol, has advised that a director sold a total of 3 million shares January 6th of this year. You would recall Honey Bun sold some shares also from a director in December or so. So some large or significant trades happening here in Honey Bun over the past 30 to 60 days. Now, Mayberry Jamaican Equities Limited, updated net asset value, that's the NAV, the latest available we saw on BL and the JSE, close to the end of last year, December 29th, 2021. The NAV was Jamaican $12.66 per share. Pretty impressive. You know, the NAV, when you look at Mayberry Jamaican Equities for 2021 as compared to a few other investment companies that do publish their NAV daily or monthly on the stock exchange, pretty much held its own throughout 2021. Tells you about their investment choices and the holdings overall, even though they're highly concentrated into Supreme Ventures. But Supreme Ventures, it did balance out in the end for 2021. So talks about the investment management there by MJE. Now, Jamaica Teas Limited, Jam Teas, trading in their shares as well. A party connected with JTL has sold shares in JTL as well as follows. Right before Christmas, actually, December 23rd, 193,000 shares or so, and December 24th, 271,000 shares and change. So some large trading activities were seen in JamT and connected parties. Now in US markets, overseas markets, the big one, J&J, Johnson & Johnson, actually split itself into two publicly traded companies. The company mentioned this as far back as November 2021. Its plans to do this, where Johnson & Johnson, it's known as the largest US pharmaceutical company by market cap, very applicable during the pandemic, but the company plans to spin off its consumer business unit into a newly publicly traded company by November 2023, let's say roughly 2 years from now. So it gives them some time. It's a good move. We like that. We've been seeing General Electric do that as well, or GE come up with their announcement. But what we like with what Johnson & Johnson is doing, they're not taking 5, 10 years or forever to do it or even announce it. They are doing it within let's say a 2-year timeline or so, and more than likely they will get it done. Last up, we got American Airlines gaining on the margin improvements in the fourth quarter. Also, what we saw was the revenues for American Airlines actually was firmer than expected. It wasn't down as much, but the big story, the big picture here was that the margins improved. Also in the fourth quarter for American Airlines was that the liquidity improved as well. Nonetheless, revenue is still down approximately 17% from pre-pandemic levels in 2019. But overall, it's a better story, better quarter for American Airlines. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.